What is up, guys? Another slide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Zoho Mail signature in Zoho Mail. So first, you need to head over to Zoho Mail's website, and then when you're redirected to the inbox section here on the right side, you will see the settings icon. Click on the settings icon, and then scroll down a bit until you see the signature section. Click on the signature, and then you need to name your signature. Let's say I want to keep it as demo 457. And after that, you need to enter your signature like you need to type in. So let's say my name is Dan. I'll keep it as Dan, say triple N. And when I'm selecting this and clicking on this B, it will make my signature bold. And if I want to make it italic, I'll select it again and then click on italic. And if I want to increase the font size, I'll increase it to, let's say, 14. And as you can see, the font size has been increased. I can also change the font style. So let's say I want to keep it as Comic Sans. And as you can see, the font style has been changed. Now to edit the background color, I'll select the text and then click on background color and edit the background color. Let's say I want to keep it as this light blue. So when I have done, as you can see, this is light blue. And let's say I am changing the font color to, first I'll select the text and click on this font color. And then here you can see there are multiple types of font colors. So I'll keep it like this. And as you can see, the font color has been changed. I'll remove the background color actually because it's not making the sign visible. So I'll choose this background color and now the sign is visible. So this is how you can add a signature or email signature in Zoho Mail. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching. And yes, guys, make sure to save it. So thank you for watching.